Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this perfect scrambled eggs with just few ingredients. It is very easy, rich, fluffy and delicious. Welcome back to my channel Mary's Spot, where I make healthy, nutritious and delicious food. Thank you for staying connected. So let's start. Here I have 2 eggs, cooking cream, black peppers, salt, butter and chopped parsley. Make sure your eggs are properly washed so you do not introduce dirt and bacteria to your food. I'm going to break the eggs. While breaking the eggs, you have to make sure you do not add any pieces of the eggshell to the broken eggs. Then I'll add some salt and whisk properly. Have you added some salt to your raw eggs and still notice some salt in lumps? This is because of the slimy nature of egg whites, which prevents the salt crystals from dissolving immediately. So I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes to allow the salt dissolve and get even better. After 10 minutes, I'll place my pan on a low heat, add some butter and dissolve. I'm going to whisk the egg a little bit more before adding to the melted butter. You need to make sure the butter is not too hot, otherwise your egg will turn to pan-fried egg. Then I will start stirring with a spatula. This was done on a low heat. You also need to stir constantly and make sure it comes out scrambled. For best results, I will advise you use a non-stick pan. You don't want your eggs burnt. The pan is very hot at this point. I'm going to remove it from the heat for some seconds while stirring. This will prevent it from cooking all at once and drying out. Then I'll place it back on the heat. Before it starts coming together like this, I'm going to add some cooking cream. The cooking cream together with the butter will keep the egg moist, fluffy, glossy, and of course rich. I'll cook for 3 seconds and remove from the heat. Our scrambled egg is ready to be served. I'm going to serve this on a toast. I'll sprinkle some black peppers and chopped parsley. You can also use spring onion in place of parsley, but I prefer parsley. Cooking your scrambled eggs like this will leave you craving for more because it's so tender and melts right away in the mouth. Try this recipe, come back and give me a feedback. You would like it, it is a promise. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I post new recipes. Enjoy!